Good morning, everyone. Today, PNCCS is filled with joy and enthusiasm to celebrate the birthday of the school founder and the former of Founders Day. Joining me now is the founder himself, Ramanjanaya sir. Good morning, sir. I wish you a very happy and joyful birthday.
Good morning, Deepika ma'am. Good morning to my dear Cognitians. It is good to be with you today.
So, a lot of people have thought the name Ramanjaniya to be the powerful force in the philanthropic part of the education sector, but not many knows that you desire to do what you are doing right now. Came from humble roots. Share with us your story of success. So,
It's not like that, ma'am. Thank you very much, Deepika ma'am. The education sector itself has not seen a lot of philanthropic moves in India and has made a lot of people want to build something that is open for all. And one such person is me. I know I want to make our area, that Katgudi Whitefield area, as an educational hub. So my mission was not only to bring affordable international education, rather affordable quality international education to the art of Garden City, and that is exactly what my PNC Cognitio School is doing at present, ma'am. PNC Cognitio School, named after my parents, has been extremely instrumental in proving to all Bangalore parents and students that the standards of international education does not necessarily need to come at heavy cost, ma'am. We have been successful at establishing PNC Cognitio as a harbor for affordable international education along with world-class sports and technology facilities. It was always my dream to signify something that not many attempted to: affordable quality education. My life story was not always easy or not always hurdles, ma'am. There are some hurdles along the way were a common thing for a person with non-conventional aspirations. The hard work and dedication of this, not myself alone, but the faculty and the staff along the way in establishing PNC Cognitio, the way it is today, there is many more people behind this map. It has been remarkable and was considered unimaginable a few years ago. Not all to get follow a regular path to success, and the path they travel into reach success defines who they are. I am certainly confident that all my cognitions will reach distinct destinations and bring the standards that exit to new heights. History books will not be enough to record the achievements of today's cognition in the future, and that is something I certainly look forward to. In this auspicious day, I would like to tell to my cognitions, success is not something that comes to you overnight. It needs constant dedication and enthusiasm, not to mention the willpower and the strength to overcome the problems along the way to become the next big name. This is what my words to my cognitions today. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Deepika ma'am.
thank you very much, Chairman sir. Once again, I wish you a many more happy returns of the day. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Signing off, Deepika.
Thank you.
जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिया सखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिया सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्